In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your download settings in Microsoft Edge, a handy skill that can make your browsing experience seamless and more personalized. Let's dive right into it and walk through this process together. Imagine you've just fired up Microsoft Edge, your trusty web browser. You'll want to start by focusing your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see three dots neatly aligned, symbolizing the menu for more options. Give these a click. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu packed with numerous choices. Don't let it overwhelm you. Simply scroll through until you find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Great! You've now opened the hub of customizations and preferences for Edge. Take a look on the left-hand side of this new page. Here's where you'll navigate through different options. You'll want to select Downloads from this menu. This is the area where you can tweak how downloaded files are handled by your browser, giving you more control over what happens each time you download something new. Now that you've successfully navigated to the downloads settings, you will be presented with several options. The one we're focusing on today is labeled Show Downloads Menu when a download starts. This nifty feature, when enabled, will automatically present the downloads menu each time a download begins. It allows you to keep track of files as they're being downloaded more easily and quickly access them without needing to manually find and open them in your File Explorer later on. To enable this function, simply spot the toggle button located on the right side next to the option. By default, it might be switched off, indicating that it's not active. Simply click on the toggle button to switch it on. You'll notice a change in color or position, depending on your system's display settings. At this point, there you go. You've activated a setting that many find quite useful for staying organized with their downloaded content. And just like that, you're all set. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how efficiently you use browser downloads, offering you more convenience each time you need to grab files from the web. Thanks for joining me today.